this underrated product making almost $306,000 with virtually no competition. Today, I'm about to unveil the secrets of starting your own thriving business using the power of AI. From generating unique ideas with just a few clicks to crafting professional-looking products, I'll even reveal a clever trick that will set you apart and maximize your earnings. So grab your notepad, because this is unlike any video you'll find on YouTube. Let's dive right into it. Let's talk about printable flashcards for kids' education. Flashcards are a fantastic way for children to learn by matching images with corresponding words, covering topics like animals, shapes, numbers, colors, and more. If you search for printable flashcards on Etsy, you'll notice the demand is high while the competition remains surprisingly low. This presents a golden opportunity to capitalize on this trend. People are selling printable flashcards in various niches and styles. One listing may focus on farm animals, another on alphabet flashcards, and yet another on matching shapes. The possibilities to make money with this business idea are endless, and I'll show you later how to generate unique ideas effortlessly. The best part is that these listings consistently receive positive reviews indicating strong sales. For example, one store makes around $6,000 per month and has generated over $300,000 since its inception. Another store earns $2,000 per month, totaling nearly $80,000 in revenue. With limited competition, making sales will be a breeze, especially with the trick I'm about to reveal. Now let's walk through the process of creating your own flashcards, starting with brainstorming ideas. There are two methods, and my personal favorite is the second one. The first approach involves manually checking your competitors' Etsy listings. Take note of the number of cards they include, the style they use, the images, product descriptions, and titles. Dive into the reviews to understand what customers like and dislike. This will help you stand out by creating something superior. However, my preferred method is automating the process using ChatGPT. For instance, I asked the chatbot to generate 10 flashcard ideas for kids aged 3 to 7 in the animal niche. As you can see, we received numerous cool ideas like animal sounds, habitats match, and baby animals. You can also use ChatGPT to generate niche ideas if you're unsure what to create. The baby animals idea is particularly appealing since we've seen similar listings perform exceptionally well on Etsy. Now, ask ChatGPT to generate 10 baby animal names. The chatbot delivers 10 flashcard ideas that you can bring to life. Once you have a product idea, it's time to transform it into a finished product, starting with creating the main component of the flashcards. The illustrations. We'll be using Leonardo.ai, an AI-powered tool. But first, we need to write the prompt. Based on ChatGPT's answer, the first illustration will feature a cat with a kitten. It also suggested including adult animals alongside their babies, which is a brilliant idea. So the prompt subject will be a cat with a kitten. When it comes to design styles, the options are endless: cartoon style, hand-drawn style, oil painting style, and more. And since we're creating animal illustrations, I think the Disney cartoon style will work best, especially for kids. So now we have a cat with a kitten in Disney cartoon style. The only thing left now is the customization. So in my case, I would like my design to be on a white background because I plan to remove the background later. Other customization options include colors, lighting, environment, mood, and more. So now we have the subject, which is the cat with a kitten, the style, which is Disney cartoon style, and the white background for the customization. And as you can see on the screen, here's how the image came out, and I think that looks very professional. So what you need to do now is repeat the process until you finish all illustrations. And once you're done, you can move to the most fun part. Did you know that Canva offers a fantastic tool for designing printable flashcards for free? Simply head to Google, search for Canva Flashcard Maker, and open the first link. You'll be greeted with a plethora of flashcard templates ready for your creative touch. Begin by uploading the illustrations you've created using Leonardo. Next, choose a template that resonates with your niche or personal taste. Now it's time to replace the illustrations and customize the word labels. With a simple drag and drop, you can seamlessly integrate your illustrations into the chosen template. However, we need to remove the background for a polished look. If you're a Canva Pro user, you can achieve this with just one click. Adjust the size of the illustration to fit the card perfectly, and don't forget to change the word label. Repeat this process until all your illustrations find their place on the flashcards. Feel free to experiment with different colors and fonts to make them truly unique. At this stage, we've created the main flashcard. combining the illustration and corresponding word label. However, we still need to craft 2 additional versions, one solely featuring the illustrations and the other solely displaying the word labels. Once you're satisfied with all 3 versions, save the templates as a PDF print. Congratulations, you've successfully created captivating printable flashcards. But wait, there's more. As promised, let me share a marketing trick that will set you apart from your competitors and boost your earnings. While others offer only flashcard bundles, you can provide additional value by offering something for free. And what better option than coloring pages perfectly aligned with the theme of your flashcards? To generate these coloring pages, you can utilize Leonardo.ai. Simply follow the prompt displayed on the screen. Imagine the delight your customers will experience when they see that along with high-quality flashcards, they'll receive coloring pages as a gift. This irresistible offer will make them eager to make a purchase without a second thought. After all, who doesn't love free stuff? This marketing technique is tried and true, often encountered while shopping. Now, all that's left is to keep creating different designs and list them on Etsy, where exciting results await you. Thank you for joining us in today's video. I hope you found it helpful and inspiring. If so, please show your support by hitting the like button and sharing your thoughts in the comments. You've demonstrated a commendable commitment by watching till the end, and I genuinely appreciate your support. Stay tuned for more exciting content, and remember to embrace your creativity wholeheartedly. Until next time, stay curious, stay creative. See you soon.